part of your video. Now we will do past perfect tense. So past perfect tense are the third type of the past tenses. So here are the example. Sun had set. सूरज गुरूब हो चुका था. She had not written the letter. उसने खत नहीं लिखा था. Had guests arrived before my arrival? क्या मेरे आने से पहले मेहमान आए थे? या ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हैं, क्या मेरे आने से पहले मेहमान आ चुके थे? Now focus on the last two words of the Urdu examples. हो चुका था, लिखा था, आए थे और आ चुके थे. So this is similar to the present perfect tense, but the difference is tha and the. Now look at the English example. Sun had set. Here there are two verbs. One is the helping verb and the other is the third form of the verb. Had is the helping verb. In next example, she had not written the letter, and the third, as it is the interrogative, so it started with the helping verb. Had guests arrived before my arrival? Now you have noticed that there is only one helping verb. It means there is no option for the situation of the subjects. If your subject is singular, like sun, she, or plural, like guest, then there will be no difference for the helping verb. Helping verb is single in past perfect tense. So the definition will be, it shows the action or work that had happened in distant past. Okay. हो चुका था. Look at the back. हो चुका था, लिखा था, आ चुके थे. So आप देखें, जब हो चुका means this work has been done. हो चुका, यहाँ तक it is a simple past. But था shows that एक तो ये काम हो चुका है, एक तो काम ये हो गया, but it happened in long time ago, long time before. Tha is showing that this action had done long time ago. So its definition is, it shows action or work that had happened in distant past. And there is only one helping verb. So if your subject is singular, or your subject is plural, or your subject is personal, you will only use one helping verb, which is had. Now let's move to the formations. Sun had set. सूरज गुरूब हो चुका था. The formation is subject plus helping verb had and third form of verb. So this is the formation of the simple sentence. Now moving to the negative sentence. She had not written the letter. उसने खत नहीं लिखा था. The formation is subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form of verb or past participle plus object. Moving to the interrogative. Had guests arrived before my arrival? क्या मेरे आने से पहले मेहमान आए थे? Now the formation is subject no. Why subject? Why it is not subject? Because it is an interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence is always started with the helping verb. Very good. Helping verb plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. So it is here is the formation altogether of three types of the sentences. You can pause your video here and read it thoroughly. So diary is test of unit 11. अब आप सारे जितने tenses हैं, you will learn all the tenses for the assessment. But today you will do practice sheet number 6. So let's read out. In question number 1, supply the correct tense in the blanks using the verb given within brackets. We dash an exciting football match today. Watch, have watched, washed. So what you will do, you will read the option and then you will read the verbs in the given brackets and you will write the correct verb from the brackets. And don't forget that you are doing present perfect and past perfect tenses. Okay, now moving to the question number 2. Combine the ideas and frame sentences of your own. In each sentence, use a past perfect tense and simple past. Okay, so here there are two keys. There are two keys: had opened and guest arrived. There are two keys for you, and you will use these two keys and make a simple past tense sentence or say present perfect sentence. For example, here is had opened and guest arrived. So here they have made a sentence like I had already opened the door when the guest arrived. So like this you will make sentences with these given keys. First key is had left / I reached. 2 had died / received the letter, and so on. Question number 3. Make sentences of following verbs in present and past continuous, including negative interrogative sentences. Like all other practice sheet, you will take first verb from the word box and then make sentences of both present perfect and past perfect. And then translate into English. Here there are the sentences of present perfect and past perfect. You will only recognize the present perfect and past perfect by their last two words. If you have seen chuka, then it is the sentence of the perfect. But what is the difference between past and present? If there is hai after chuka, then this will be the present perfect. Very good. And if there is tha, thi, the, then it will be the past perfect. Very good class. So this was the last key. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.